Alright, I guess that's enough rest for me. So we had two welding pumps here, huh? I never noticed that two welding pumps are being prepared here at the moment. But anyway, so let's continue on our quick tour on the engine room. So yeah, I think no one's around in the engine room at this hour, and come to think of it, who would work at 2 a.m. in the morning or 1 a.m. in the morning? So let's start first with the how to get to the engine room. So we're gonna take the upper deck route and see how things go there. So the entrance to our engine room is just right in front of the elevator. So this is our elevator. This is the entrance to the engine room. So you can see there's a lot of safety signs here. Just a precaution and a friendly reminder if you're going to the engine room. But anyway, we have also a direct access to the engine room. Take a look at it. So this is our elevator that goes on direct access to the engine room and to the what do you call this? So right now, this is the engine control room. So you can see it's pretty nice, not that bad. So we got all sorts of stuff right now because it's on the wet docks. So I think there's no duty oiler right now. So we're not touching anything or we're not pressing anything. We're just taking a look on our engine control room here. So back and forth. And also we have an emergency exit right directed to the engine control room just in case of emergency. Honestly, I'm not really familiar with the engine spaces of this ship. I mean, I'm not 100% familiar. I can only tell on the areas that I've been through in the past, or at least I'm more familiar with, but not 100%. So anyway, let's continue on what we're doing. Well, we have our CO, I don't know what's this SPWB room there. Most likely, it's something important, probably an electrical room or something. So we have we have some fire extinguishers, fire hose. We have a toilet. I'm not familiar with these spaces either. So most of the time I am not familiar overall of the engine room. But what I'm too familiar with is this. They do have the engine room workshop. So this is a fitter station. Tools we used by the engine. So yeah, from the word itself, it's a workshop. We have some drills maybe. The drilling machine, cabinets. I'm not gonna open that. So overall, this is the look of our engine room workshop. So mostly the people who work in the engine know this and they're very familiar with. Right beside it is, I think, our storage area. So you can see all the stuffs and equipment that they need that are under storage. So mostly all of it. And they also have a computer. And also, we're already familiar with this one. We just did this a few moments ago. This is the steering room. This is the rudder, the steering engine. Two of them, because we got this ship has two propellers and two rudders. One is this and the other is on the other side. port and starboard side. So we also have our freshwater tanks here, 2 of them, this one and that one, which we just prepared our pressure hose. Okay, so what's next? We could probably go down a little bit. So you can see they're doing a lot of maintenance as well on the engine. And from the looks of it, it's lots. This is our generator room from what I could tell. So this is the main engine of the ship. We got 2 of them, port side and starboard side. So like I said, this is the generator room. And this is another engine. This one in particular is the starboard side because we got 2, like I said earlier, we got 2 propellers. Each propeller has its own engine, and this is the starboard engine. Honestly, I don't know this area. I don't know, maybe some generator, I guess. Or diesel generator from the looks of it. From the text on there, it says it's a diesel generator. So we could go down a little bit further. I think no one's, I think they won't mind if I could do a little bit of exploring. Hopefully I won't get lost. So there's a lot of stuff. Yeah, generators. As you can see, they've even prepared a staging area to work on the generators on this side. Okay, so I guess we'll go a little bit further down. So anyway, Florida, oh, I think this is the bottom level. Okay, so we still have 1 floor ball. I didn't know about that. So this is anyway another form of machinery, but there's a lot. Lots of them. I think this is somewhere around the water. I don't know. I think it's cooling temperature. I don't know. Lube oil, I guess. So I could go a little bit further down. So this is the lowermost part of our engine room. So these are pistons from the engine. Of course, this is the propeller shaft. So which goes directly, this is the aft area of our ship. So you can see there's a lot of people, there's a lot of stuff going on in the engine. They've been doing a lot of work. And probably they're very busy. So this is engine 1, and this is engine number 2. And you can see they all have tools. Each corner of the ship has its own tools. But of course, I'm not an engine guy, I'm a deck guy. So engine guys are more familiar with this place. So anyway, we're going up. Okay, I don't know the rest of here. It's just basically some stuff. Like I said, I'm not familiar with the engine. Okay, there we go. So I'll just take a good look, and I'll probably be heading up. Whew. Yeah, this is some vacant space in the engine room. No one noticed, I guess. Oh. And lucky for us, this walkway is a direct entrance to the elevator. Okay. Okay, so I think it's good for us that we wait here. But I do wish that the elevator goes all the way down on the second floor, third floor, whatever you call it, fourth floor of this engine space. Okay, so it's already arrived, so we should hear a click or something. Okay, good. Right, I think we'll go on the upper deck here. Yeah, never know that roaming around the engine room could this be a bit tedious. Okay, so I guess I'll hang out for a few minutes there. You know, I've already done my routine checks, and I've already finished my work. Lining up the high pressure hose. So I'll probably conclude my vlog here. There's still got a lot more to cover, but I think this is good for now. So if you like my video, you can just kind of click that like and subscribe button and hit that notification button. It really helps my my YouTube channel or my video channel here. So this is Operator 60. Have a great day, and I'll conclude my vlog now. See you next time on my next vlog.